When you're looking to do a siding replacement project on your home, it is an investment. Hopefully an investment you only have to make one time. And luckily for us, there are several financing options available. Whether or not you're working through your bank to get a home equity or some sort of line of credit, or you work through us. So we're actually partnered with Synchrony Financial. Synchrony is a very well-known company. If you've ever done any loans for like a pool or a hot tub, Home Depot, Lowe's, etc., it's almost always through Synchrony Financial. With our company being an authorized dealer, we can do programs, our most popular is 18 months, same as cash, or we can stretch a program out to 7, 8, 9, 10 years. Whatever works within your budget, we're willing to do that to work with you. The other great benefit of our partnership with Synchrony is that you can get approved in less than a day. So it's a very quick process. It's an online application. Sometimes the result comes immediately. In other cases, up to 24 hours, but it's not something that's going to get drug out over a month or two while you're ready to do your project. So a lot of our clients, when they apply through us for financing, we get approval usually that same day. We can go ahead and lock in your project, get you on the schedule so that we're not losing time, and just move forward very seamlessly. So financing is a very viable option. And something that we happily offer, and we'll work with you through every step of the process to make sure it's painless for you so that we can get your project done.